Hi there. So I was aware, or I am aware rather, of the trick you can do with symbols where you have another symbol or another layer, it doesn't matter actually, um, anchored to the left, or I think it's only working for the left, I'm not entirely sure, next to an text layer. And if you change the text, it will stick to the end of the text layer, which works rather well, I think. For those who are wondering how it exactly works, I have my text layer here and my cursor layer, or whatever it is called in English, there. And they're both directly next to each other. And this one is anchored to the left. And using this method, it will change position with according to the text layer width, length, whatever. Now I was wondering whether the same is somehow working if your text layer is growing in height. So I've made another symbol with a text layer that's set to fixed width, and by that, if I enter some text, it should wrap around neatly. Oh, of course, if I choose the wrong text layer or field or whatever, it won't work. Yes. And now my idea was, even if I make this one larger, that this supporting text should always be the same, should always have the same height difference from this main text. However, as you can see, it is not working. So my idea was that maybe I can use some kind of spacer to make it work. But even if I delete that and I put it right under the main text layer, if you will, oops, like this, it sadly won't have any effect. So as you can see, it's still going over. All right, so of course there would be the option to not anchor it to the top like I did here in order to achieve the same effect like this one, but rather to anchor it to the bottom and then simply resize the text box according to whatever height I want. However, I might just have another supporting text which will oh yeah, this is not working, which will be below that. And of course, if I now do it this way, I can't have them both the way I want. So there is some real world use case for what I'm trying to achieve. That's what I'm trying to say. While there are workarounds, they surely do not work for everything. So I was wondering whether this is somehow possible and I just don't know how, or whether it is not possible at all as of yet, and I should post some kind of feature request. Alright, that's it.